Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, October 14th. At 6 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 7:30 p.m. we have high impacting news and medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trades today. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. As we already know, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend because it is still trading below the resistance line I have drawn over here. So previously we considered this level, which is around 1680, to be acting as a very strong resistance level and very strong support level, but currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bullish side and to easily break this support line with a high volume candle, which means that the current trend of the price action is in a very strong bearish trend. And in the past price action, we have noticed a price action to consolidate within this support level of 1655 and resistance level of 1680, then to continue its bearish trend. And currently also we are noticing the current price action to consolidate around this area. So this zone is a very strong resistance and support zone for the current price action in daily time frame. So I would recommend you to wait for the candles to close below this support zone if you want to take trades on the bearish side in daily time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame, and current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend and it is trading between the resistance level of 1665 and support level of 1655. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1655, next level of support is going to be around 1647 and 1617. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1617, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. Till then, it will only be a retracement to the support level from where it made a bullish side retracement. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1680, next level of resistance is going to be around 1695 or 1700. And current trend of the price action in daily time frame is also in a bearish trend for now. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame from the support level of 1617, we have noticed it to trend on the bullish side retracement and it made a double top pattern, and currently it is on a process of completing this double top pattern. Again I am drawing a resistance line for the current price action to understand the current trend of the price action. So based on this trend line or the resistance line, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend since it is trading below this resistance line. And we know from the higher time frame that this area between 1654 to 1680 is a very strong support and resistance zone. So wait for the price action to give a breakout from this support zone in order to continue trading on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we don't have any trend in hourly time frame. Due to the news, yesterday we had noticed very steep fall, but still again the price action has retraced back to the level where it was trading on a sideways price action. But still when we look at the current trend of the price action from the 4 hours time frame and the daily time frame, it is still in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. And if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to retest on the support level of 1654, and only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to retest on the higher time frame support level of 1642 in hourly time frame. And only when the price action breaks this support level, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1672 and support level of 1661. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1661, next level of support is going to be around 1656, 1654, 1649, 1642. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1672, next level of resistance is going to be around 1680 from the daily time frame. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. So in 30 minutes time frame, we have noticed the price action to test this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and to bounce back on the bearish side trend reversal. Again, I would recommend you to draw a trend line or a resistance line for 30 minutes time frame in order to understand the current trend of the price action. So based on this resistance line, we are noticing the price action to be trending on a bearish trend for now. Wait for the price action to break this support line if you want to continue trading on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading below this 4 hours time frame resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the higher time frame resistance level of 1666 and support level of 1661. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1661, next level of support is going to be around 1657, 1654, 1651 and 1642. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1666, next level of resistance is going to be around 1672 and 1680. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the current support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. And current trend of the price action in 15 minutes time frame is on a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1663, next level of resistance is going to be around 1666, 1672 and 1680. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1658, next level of support is going to be around 1654, 1649 and 1642. So currently the price action is testing this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to bounce back to continue trading on a bearish side in 15 minutes time frame. And wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1666 if you want to take trades on the bullish side retracement. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.